think we'll start this by saying thank you so much, A, for nominating us and for considering for these funds, which will go a long way. And I thought, how do I tell you in a very short amount of time what happens at Voluntary Action Rutland at the Volunteer Centre? Each of the centres, I think, around the community serve that particular community and their needs. And we have 25,000 people through our doors, which is a very high percentage of a very small population. One aspect that Charles also is involved in is a volunteer driver for the transport scheme. And they're clocking up 250,000 miles a year by 57 volunteers. So the work is humongous. The Volunteer Centre itself provides accommodation for small groups, for charities and for services provided in Rutland based at the centre. So there are permanent offices and there are also occasional rooms. And these resources are used not just by the elderly in our case, because we have excluded children. And for whatever reason they've been excluded, we provide accommodation for them to receive education each week until their problems are sorted out. We do have a number of elderly people. We have the community mental health team based at the service. And for me, the thing I'm so proud of, it is so discreet that if you attended the centre, you wouldn't know why anybody was there. We have 9 other organisations based delivering services. And I had to consider what we could use this money for. We too have had our funding slashed by half. And we've invested in our accommodation for a counselling room and therapeutic service. We've done a lot of building work around this. And this would actually allow us to fit out this accommodation. And it's quite strange when this room in particular is used every single day of the week, every hour. And a lot of the groups will run their support clubs, but then also want to have a room to be able to support their service users. This money will allow us to complete the furnishing, which is, I am so pleased, because that is really hard to get the money for that. Well done. Thank you so much.